Hello everyone, this is Muhammad and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk with you about one skill which is really important and required from you as a software engineer. That skill is called problem solving. And since I joined my school, the first subject I started to study, it's a problem solving and programming. After a few days, I figured out that was C++ programming language. And this is the first lessons of C++ course. In these lessons, we're gonna talk about three important things. First, what C++ programming language is, why it's important, and what we can do with it. C++ is a general purpose language, was created in 1980s. Actually, C++ is an extension from C programming language which was created in 1970. They created after find some difficulties in C language. So they try to improve and develop the C programming language to make C++. They try to fix the bugs. I know this thing is not really important for someone who looking for C++ programming course. But before I start, I just wanted to give you a short brief about what is C++ programming language. C++ is widely used in a variety of fields, including game development, scientific computing, and software engineering. It's also a great choice for those who want to learn programming because it's a high-level language, which means that easier to read and write than some other programming language. With C++, you can create everything from a simple command line program to complex graphical user interface. You can also create games, animations, and simulations. Another great thing about C++ is that it's compiled language with a machine, which means it's translated into machine. This is the first lesson about C++. We get what is important. In next video, I'm gonna explain to you this programming language. When you finish this course, you will be able to write the whole program by using this course as a reference. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.